it's something you may take for granted until you desperately need it, and that is why a lot of folks don't pay much attention to their health insurance coverage after they have joined a plan and started paying their premiums at work. But on today's Money Monday, financial advisor Greg Clough from Arlington Benefits Group says it could save you a lot of money and a lot of headache, really, if you take the time to see just what you are paying for. And Greg, I fall into this group too. You know, I have a job and I pay a premium and I assume that I'll get health insurance, but we've seen lots of folks out of jobs, lots of people looking for the better value, I'll say, not the cheaper value, but the better value. And you have some points, and the first one is just saving on health insurance. You say shop around just like anything else. How do we do that?
Yeah, absolutely. Every employer has usually 2 or 3 different choices. So if you're dealing with a husband and a spouse, you have up to 6 different choices that you can choose from the different companies. So you have to look at the different deductibles and co-pays and the costs that go along with that, your premiums, to see what fits best for your family.
Also, you say boost deductible and co-payments. You touched on that just now. Do we have the flexibility to do that on most occasions?
Yeah, there's usually a choice now. It's a high deductible choice where the higher deductible, obviously, the lower the premium. So you can manage that yourself, and you can use a health savings account to offset that high deductible and save it in a separate bucket.
And we're going to get to that in just a second. You've already hit on check your spouse's coverage. It might be a better value to perhaps give up yours and go under your spouse. The problem with that, I guess, is with people losing jobs or, you know, the economy downsizing. Gosh, you just take a gamble sometimes if you do that, but that's life in this economy, I suppose.
Absolutely.
Okay. The last one, also reassess your options. I think that people probably have a fear of messing with the formula. It's already set. Perhaps I don't go back, but you say it's worth a trip maybe to HR to really look at your options and try to get your health coverage tailored for you.
Yeah, you really should sit down with your HR director and go through the summary of the benefits, because there's a lot of layers to the health coverage that you have, and see exactly what you're getting and what kind of co-insurance that you have with your plans.
Also, there's something called the health savings account, and for me, and I'd like you to tell the viewers exactly what that is, because we have a program probably similar to that where you put some money aside and some various and sundry items could come out of that. But exactly what is the health savings account?
Sure. If you have a high deductible plan, the government defines that as a plan that has a deductible for an individual of $1150 or higher, or for a family of $2,300 or higher. You can open up a side health savings account, and you can put in up to $3,000 for an individual and up to $5,850 for a family. And this side deductible you can use to cover those deductibles.
Okay. And just some of the benefits of that: reduces employer health care benefits cost by using that, and also you can utilize a debit card. It's just like going to the bank for what you need, picking and choosing for what you need there.
Absolutely. You're managing the account, so whatever you put in the health savings account, you can use to offset the deductibles of your account.
Okay.
So you can go to your doctor and use the debit card, give that to them, and they can use that for their deductibles.
All right. Greg Clough, Arlington Benefits Group. Thank you so much. A lot of people thinking about their benefits during these hard times. Okay. Stay with